Hey, Spring LaFay, Simply Tarot, special message. This is going to be for the sign of Aquarius, for my fellow Aquarians. We're going to just see what we get today. See what comes out. What does Spirit want Aquarians to know today? Special message for Aquarius, for the sign of Aquarius, please. What does... Okay. Four of Cups reversed, or the, oh my goodness, Ace of Cups reversed. Okay. That's lack of feeling. Lack of emotion. And unbalanced. So someone that's going to be coming towards an Empress is imbalanced. They have a lack of emotion, and they're out of, it's like something's out of balance. They're not balanced. They're going to want to offer something tangible. But this is, it's not love with that Ace of Cups. It's like they want to offer you something if you're this Empress, but it's not love. There's someone else, though. Okay, there's two people. Yes, okay. We have someone who is lacking of emotion. That's lack of love. Lack of emotion, but they want to offer something. But they're not balanced. There's something out of balance. And that may be give and take. That may be them not wanting to give you emotion and you having emotion if you're this Empress. But then you have someone else. If you're the Empress, you have someone else that's coming in quick. With this Chariot and Knight of Swords. Okay. Can you please... Okay. Clarifying the Knight of Pentacles, Lovers. So this may be someone that you felt like was a soul connection. Or, you know, if you believe in twin flame, even twin flame connection. See here? Six of Wands. That is, you see that electricity? This is a very magnetic, it's a strong energy. It's a strong connection. So this is someone that this is someone you've known. Yeah. Can you... Okay. Can you please clarify the Knight of Swords? The Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords. Please clarify. This one wants to come out. These two. This is someone that's serious. It's the Knight of Swords again. And then we've got the Four of Pentacles. This is someone that is very savvy as far as money is concerned. They may, you know, save money. They may know how to deal with money. There's something to do with money. Communication coming in. Now, that could be from both people. Okay, I'm getting two things. One will bring you peace, yes. One has left you out in the cold, yes. So, this feels like a new energy. This feels like someone you've known before. One will bring you peace. One will leave you out in the cold. Oh my goodness. See, you're at this spot. Nine of Pentacles. Knowing your worth and your value. The Empress. And it's like these people start coming in. And One will bring you peace, one will leave you out in the cold. So, you're going to have a decision. Can you tell me more? Can you tell us more, Spirit, please? Leap of faith. New beginning. On the bottom we have the star. One of these people is something you've been wishing for. They will bring peace to your life. Yeah. So you got somebody going to come in. You've got two, it feels like. One has a cup of love. The other, they aren't offering a cup of love. Can you clarify the Knight of Cups? The Knight of Cups, I'm just going to make sure. Oh my goodness. You got 3. There's another one. This is someone else. This is someone else. Okay. This is another person. So you're really going to have choices, it looks like. This person wants to move to you. This person feels like you could balance, that you both could balance beautifully and have growth and peace, and they're willing to move to you. They're willing to pick up and move to you. Can you tell me more? I'm getting more on this person here. I've just, this card here. This card. This person may be a bit greedy. Someone that may be a bit different. Someone that is possibly like materialistic, very materialistic. You're being watched. Can you tell me more? Feels like you're being watched all the way around, honestly. 10 of Swords. The Star. See, this is you. You have healed this. You've healed your past. And you're waiting on your wish to come. You're waiting on that new beginning. You've went through a lot of darkness and you're reaching to the light. You know, with endings, new beginnings. Something has ended. It feels like something has ended in your life. Yeah, you're going to be having to really think this through. You're going to have 3 people to have to deal with, it feels like. And this does pertain to a new beginning in love. Yeah. See? See? Ace of Cups. But if you look, holding that cup down and pouring it out and holding this one up. So you're holding on to your cup until you find this. And this feels like soulmate. Yin yang. 2 that are alike, it feels like. Some of you would say twin flame. Soulmate, definitely. Being guided, you know, and it feels like on your path. Being on your path. Some of you may be readers, I feel like. Or mystics, or healers. Seers. Justice. It's like it's time to level out things. It's like it's time for things to come back around. You know, it's like ending karmic cycles and relationships, and you know, it's like it's got that feel. It's time for things to come back around, and with all these what we've got going on, the retrogrades and all this stuff, that is, you know, it feels like you're going to take a leap of faith towards someone, one of these people. Yeah. Don't know which, my new deck. Let's see if we get one. Can we have one, please? For Aquarius. For Aquarius, please. Just for Aquarius, please. The shadow. So, you see, I feel like you've been working on yourself, and you have, you know, you've got the light, you've got the shadow part of yourself, and you right there in the middle. It's like a feeling that you've evolved through this, and but I'm drawn to how this looks like cracks and holes, and it's like at least one of these people, I feel like, are not being honest with you. They're not going to be honest with you. There's something they're hiding, and it feels like it may have to, you know, see on the bottom, the unseen. There's something unseen. The Destroyer. Look at those eyes. I'm telling you, there's something you're not seeing. And I feel like you're intuitive. You're gifted. You need to pay attention to your dreams, I feel like. This is what I have for you. If it doesn't resonate, just leave it. But yeah. For some of you, there's something to do with your shadow self that you need to really, you may need to do some shadow work yourself, I feel like. For some of you. But I feel like one of these people is not for your higher good with this Destroyer card. So that's what I have for you. Till next time. Bye.